This is a 10-minute low-impact HIIT cardio workout, and within the workout we're going to include a quick warm-up, the workout and a cool-down, all in 10 minutes. So you've got everything you need in this one video. So if you're ready, let's get started.
So we're going to start with the warm-up. The top is a little bit bright, but all I want you to do is we're just going to spend 1 minute now warming up. So just follow along. Just give me these little side steps. So we're just going to step from side to side and just swing your arms across. You can then start to take them a little bit higher. And the point of this is we're just going to really help to increase your core body temperature and just mobilize through all your joints. That's good. Just feel that rotation through your torso, and it also helps to just increase your core body temperature as well. This time now, just give me a bend through the knee and just doing these hamstring curls, and just swing those arms in front and then pull them back, just so we're then mobilizing through all your joints. And just take those arms nice and high, drawing them down. So it's just a very quick warm up because this is a quick workout. All right, well done. So what we're going to do now is you just carry on marching on the spot. I'm just going to show you a preview of the first move for the hip part. So for this one, we're just going to do these step outs and just take your hand down towards the ground. So just alternating one foot from the other. So we're going to get ready, and for this we're going to do it for 50 seconds. So let's get ready, come into position, and now tap that foot out. Just alternate from side to side. So it's a fast transition. This is also really great to work your lower body strength as well. Keep those core tummy muscles pulled in tight. So each of the hip moves we're going to do for 50 seconds. And we've got a 7-minute HIIT workout, then you've got your 2-minute cool down stretch. So let's just keep going, alternating that foot from side to side. And remember, exercise today is for your future health. This is why we're doing this. And you can just see on the left, that arrow there, that represents that 50 seconds. So all the way, keep going till that arrow reaches the top. All right, well done. Okay, so you just march out. Let me just show you the next move. So for this one, you're going to tap the foot behind. Once you've got used to that, then just imagine with your arms, take both arms up. Imagine you're pulling something down. That's good. So it's a really lovely full body move, this one. It's low impact, but we're working multiple muscle groups here, working your lower body, your upper body. This is also really great to work your abs and your core. Again, just 50 seconds on this move. It's really lovely, dynamic. And also what I call this is like a multi-compound move. So it means you're working multiple joints, multiple muscle groups. And this is how we're then affecting the whole of your health. We're getting you fitter and stronger. That's good. Side to side, keep pulling those arms up and over and across. And well done. All right, just march out so you can see the next move. This one, we're going to do that running stance. So just as if you're about to run, then you take the foot back down. We'll change it halfway through to change the other leg. So give me this fun little sprint off, then take that foot back. And what's great here is you're working the strength on the standing leg, you're working your balance, your stability, plus we're working cardiovascularly, also strengthening the other leg. And drive through with those arms. Keep those core tummy muscles pulled in tight. That's helping you with balance as well. Now change legs for me and just drive that knee up. And again, it's a low impact move, but a really powerful move. And last few seconds. And just feel you're getting fitter, getting stronger. And it's all about just being grateful that we can move our bodies. All right, well done. So march out, then you can see the next move. This is your little 10-second recovery from doing that HIIT exercise. So for your next one, just do that low impact star, but we're taking that arm all the way up and over, stepping that foot out. So again here, you can see it's another low impact move, but full body. We're working multiple muscle groups. And you can always travel it forwards and then back. Make the most of the room that you've got at home where you're doing these home workouts. Driving that up, that's good. So we've got no repeats. Each move is slightly different. And you can make that as fast or slow as you want. That's good. You've got last few seconds. Well done. All right, that's good. So just shake out those arms and let's have a look at the next move. So this one, we're going to have fun. Just walk to a corner for me and give me a knee lift and then walk it back. So walk to the corner, knee lift, step back. Now walk to the other corner and knee lift. That's good. And driving that up. So again, this one is another low impact but full body move. Nice and strong, and just drive that knee up. And just think each time, each step you take, you're getting fitter and getting stronger. We've only got a couple more minutes left of the HIIT, then we're going to take that to your cool down stretch. Drive that up. And this is just 10 minutes. The great thing is 10 minutes is all you need. You could do 10 minutes in the morning, and then if you wanted to, you could repeat this workout later again in the day, because it's safe moves, because we're just using body weights. We're not putting any pressure through the joints. It's a really effective way to keep fit, healthy and strong, and to look after your bones and muscles at the same time. All right, march out. So for your next move, this one, we're going to be in a wide stance and just step 1 foot back, and just imagine that you're putting a big box up on a shelf. That's good. And just alternating, stepping that foot back. So this one here is a really powerful exercise, especially for your lower body. So we're really targeting through your quads, your hamstrings and your glutes. And try and keep those feet hip width distance apart. Keep that stance nice and wide. And just swing through those arms. And again, what I've done, I've made sure that the moves that I've picked, you work multiple muscle groups in each move. So it's a super effective workout you can get in a short period of time. Just swing those arms up as you step that foot back. That's good. And last few seconds, keep that focus, keep it strong. All right, well done. And just march out for me. So let's have a look. So this is the final move of the HIIT part. This one's going to be a really fun one. We're going to do a deep side step, and you're going to pull the arm down as well. So now pull one arm down and just alternate. Just get used to that coordination. But the great thing is here, I'm adding this in to really work your mind and muscle. So this is brain fitness as well. This is keeping your brain fit, because we're having to think about the coordination. So powerful move, and really add that to a nice little deep knee bend, draw that arm down. So it's the last bit for the HIIT training, then we'll bring your heart rate down and do a nice stretch. Just give me that side step, that's good. Really pull that arm down. Last little bit, you can go as fast as you want. Last few seconds, stepping that also as wide as you want on there. And let's go last 3, take that 2, and then 1. All right, well done. So just march out. You should be really sweating now. I definitely am. Let's just bring that heart rate down. So just slow that pace down. We're going to spend about 2 minutes now doing your cool down stretch. Remember, if you ever want to take longer, have a walls break, you can hit pause. So what we're going to do, first stretch I want to start with is a calf stretch. So just follow along. Step 1 foot back for me now. So we're going to just take that leg and step it behind. Heel stays all the way down to stretch that muscle. Hands are on that bent leg in front. And just feel that stretch through the calf. And this really helps to kind of strengthen and realign your muscles after a workout. And let's take that now to the other leg. And again, hands are always on that bent leg in front. Lean into that stretch. And if you're still here, you should be feeling super proud that you've done your full workout. So do let me know in the comments down below if you hung around for that stretch as well. All right, this time now, let's just go for doing that quadricep stretch. Just feel that stretch through the front of the thigh. And just make sure that supporting knees slightly bent. And now take that to the other leg and take that up. And if you always want a more in-depth stretch, I do have all my other stretch videos that you can find on my YouTube channel as well. Let's now bring those arms in front and just feel that lovely stretch through the top of your upper back. And now bring those arms behind, just get that nice stretch through the front of your chest, so that one's really good for your posture. And now take one arm up and just ease that down. That's good. And feel that now through the other arm. So we're just feeling that through the back of the upper arm, through the tricep.
So well done. There is your high five. You should be super proud. What you and I have just done is literally in these 10 minutes, we've just invested in your future health. That's what exercise is truly about, is how we feel. So go have a great day, and I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.